Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your WhatsApp account on your mobile device. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application, and finally once you have done that, on the top right go ahead and tap on the triple dot icon, and then finally go ahead and tap on the settings right over here. Now go ahead and tap on the accounts tab, and over here, as you can see on the bottom, you can see there is a delete my account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and all you have to do in order for you to go ahead and delete your account is enter your number back and then tap on delete my account, and then your account will be deleted. So as you can see, deleting your account will delete your account from WhatsApp, erase your message history, delete you from all your WhatsApp groups and stuff. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.